She said something about maybe renting it for a year.
The band is into this practice, so no flash photography or videography. And please do not sit or stand on the handrails. Once again, please do not sit or stand on the handrails.
Like that look.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. What's happening? Rock!
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Stuart, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Ozzy.
Whew. I tried to stall, but tough crowd. Hey, you guys better get moving. Traffic is so bad it'd be faster to waka waka.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced light,
Hey, how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
What do I know with Randy?
How we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please head to the Muppets Lab.
See you later. Have fun.
Life is so horrible. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming.
Uh-oh! I think these folks are stuck.
Now they know how we feel.
Looks like these folks might be stuck here for a moment.
Ah, they'll be fine. We've been bolted to the floor for decades.
Mommy already has questions. It's fine. I don't need more. I will throw you in the squishy.